Welcome to Live in and As Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light and love flowing. Let's read the messages today. First message is, I am as God created me. In you is all of heaven. Every leaf that falls is given life in you. Each bird that ever sang will sing again in you, and every flower that ever bloomed has saved its perfume and its loveliness for you. So beautiful. Let's see the second message today. Don't dim to fit in. How are you dimming your light in order to fit in? Don't dim your light to accommodate someone else's smallness. We are all born to shine big and bright. The universe is expanding and you are part of the universe. So expanding is part of your nature. If someone makes you want to retract, notice and slowly back away. They are not for you and you are not for them. Better yet, find it within yourself to expand and shine your light anyway. Flowers don't open and close according to who is walking by. They open and show their beauty regardless. If others don't want to be around you or you make them uncomfortable, it's because you are shining light on the fact that they are dimming to fit in. By choosing to shine bright, you may just inspire them to turn on their light too. Or not. Keep your light on anyway. All relationships are essentially an energetic agreement. The moment one person decides to start rising up and allowing their light to shine, it changes the energetic agreement and can create some waves. They are completely normal. The relationships that are meant to last will adapt to the change in energy. Others won't because they were likely born under the proviso of I love you as long as you don't shine brighter than me. That's okay. Not all people are meant to be in your life forever. But the lessons they teach us can still live on. And this is an inquiry card. So, work your light inquiry is, how are you dimming your light in order to fit in? And this is so true, especially right now when we are ascending. The earth as a planet is ascending. The earth as a sentient being is ascending. And we all, human beings, are also ascending. In that, what happens is when you are ascending, you are vibrating higher and your light is shining brighter. And that may scare some people because people are not used to being their authentic self. People fit in, they put on masks and faces to fit in the society and to give in to the ego construct. That is why when you expand your consciousness, when you raise your vibration and when you shine your authentic light bright, it scares people. But that's okay. People are in your life because of certain karma or certain soul contracts, and those who are meant to be with you will rise and they will rise to the higher vibration. They will also make their light bigger. They will also express their authentic self and they will adapt to be in your life. People who are meant to be in your life will continue. And those who are not meant to be in your life will fall off. Not everyone is going to be there with you forever anyway. So shine your light bright. Those are today's messages. Lots of love.